How can a small creator that's not in the YouTube Partner Program make money from YouTube? Perhaps you want to get a new camera, upgrade your microphone, or get a new gadget to hold your mic. In this video, you'll discover 7 ways to monetize your YouTube videos without 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Here's another reason to make money from YouTube without being a member of the YouTube Partner Program. Recently, YouTube updated their terms of service to include the right to monetize rule. It says that you grant YouTube the right to monetize your content, but doesn't entitle you to accept any payments, even if they place ads on non-monetized videos. This means if YouTube places ads on your YouTube videos and you're not a member of the YouTube Partner Program, you still won't get paid. Wow, that really sucks. That's a strong reason to find alternative ways to make money from YouTube besides AdSense ads. Another reason is that you can make much more money from these 7 ways than from AdSense ads revenue. I have a question for you. How do you currently make money from YouTube? Post your answers in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Here are the top 7 ways to make money on YouTube without AdSense ads. Number 1, build an email list. I made this the number 1 method because it generates the most income from a YouTube channel. The beauty about building an email list is that you own and control the list. If something should happen to your YouTube channel, like you get 3 strikes and your channel is terminated, you lose everything that's on your channel. Instead, if you've built an email list off YouTube, you'll be able to own the list and still be in touch with those people. Another benefit of building an email list is that you can promote affiliate products or your own products and services. I'll talk about this later in the video. Instead of recommending one product, you can recommend multiple products depending on the interests of your subscribers. Here's how it works. Typically, I'll create a landing page that offers a free lead magnet or a free gift in exchange for contact information. The free gift can be a free report, free ebook, cheat sheet, or even video course. After the person submits their contact information, they'll be on your email list. You can then follow up with the person by sending them a series of emails that offers more valuable information. If you have an autoresponder like Aweber, you can set up these emails to go out automatically. You don't even have to be at your computer. Hey, if you're getting value out of the content so far, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more content like this every week. Number 2, affiliate programs. The benefit of promoting an affiliate program is that you don't have to create the product or the marketing materials. All you have to do is sign up to get the affiliate link and then promote the link to get a 50% or 60% commission. The best affiliate programs are the ones that generate recurring commissions, such as TubeBuddy. For those that are not familiar with TubeBuddy, it's my secret weapon for finding the best keywords that can easily rank in the YouTube search engine. If you want to find out how to use TubeBuddy to get more subscribers on YouTube, click the link in the description below this video. If you upgrade to one of the paid options, you can use promo code HermansBuddy to get 20% off any paid option. Another great affiliate program to sign up for is the Amazon Associates program. You can virtually promote any product in your niche using the Amazon Associates program. All you have to do is sign up for the Amazon Associates program, then find an Amazon affiliate link that you can place in the description below your video. When someone purchases a product from your link, you get a small commission. Even if they purchase another product from Amazon within 24 hours, you'll receive a commission from them purchasing a product. Here's a hot tip. If you can't find an affiliate program to promote related to your niche, just enter the keyword plus affiliate program in Google and you'll find plenty of affiliate programs. Later on, I'll share a hot tip about making more money from YouTube when promoting your own products or affiliate products. Number 3, sponsorships and brand deals. A sponsored video is where a company pays you to promote their product in your video. You could review the product or demonstrate the product or do both. The reason that they want to pay you for a sponsored video is that they want to get in front of your audience. It's a great way to make an extra $500 to $1,000 per month from your channel. Click the link in the description to watch my video on how to get sponsors for YouTube videos. I highly recommend creating a 1-page media kit for your channel before approaching a brand about sponsoring a video. You look more professional and it'll be easier to negotiate a price with the company. Click the link in the description to watch my video on how to get sponsored on YouTube as a small channel. Number 4, Patreon. This is where you can charge a monthly membership fee in exchange for exclusive content from your channel. It helps you to build a predictable revenue stream that doesn't rely on ads or algorithms. Here are some examples of video creators that are generating a monthly income from Patreon. Patreon gets 5% of their earnings plus payment processing, and you get the rest. Wow, that's a pretty good deal. Number 5, merchandise. You've probably seen the merchandise shelf that appears under the videos on creators' channels. Unfortunately, you need to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program and have at least 10,000 subscribers on your channel. A way around that is to set up a store and then link to that store in the description of your video. You could simply create a web page that displays all the products that you use to manage your YouTube channel, then place the link in the description below your video. Number 6, your own products and courses. If you're an expert in your niche, then you probably know more than most people about the topics you cover on your YouTube channel. If you sell your own product or course, then you get 100% commission instead of the 50% commission you might only get with affiliate products. For example, here's the landing page for my YouTube marketing blueprint. The product is a 200-page ebook that shows you step-by-step on how to start and grow your YouTube channel. I also have a Tube Traffic monthly membership course that teaches you how to master YouTube. The beauty about creating your own products and courses is that you can tailor them to suit the interests of your viewers. The more products that you create, the more money you'll make. Number 7, coaching and consulting. I've discovered that some people who purchase your products prefer one-on-one help, such as a one-on-one coaching call. This is a great way to offer personal help to your best clients. For example, I offer a 1-hour coaching call for people who are struggling to grow their channels. I can quickly identify the exact areas you need to improve to grow your channel. Click the link in the description if you want to book a coaching session with me. But Herman, how do you promote your products on your YouTube channel? You can promote your website in the description below your video. Just make sure it's in the first 3 lines below your video so it'll be visible while people are watching the video. Also make sure that you use the full website address. If it's a sponsored video, make sure you check the box that says paid product placement. You can also promote your product in the comments by pinning it to the top of your comments. When someone posts a comment, they'll see your comment that's pinned to the top of the comments. You can also add your website to your channel banner. All you have to do is click on the customization link in YouTube Studio, then click on basic info. Under links, click add link, then enter your title and URL of your website. After you've done that, click publish and your clickable link will show up on the channel banner. Just keep in mind that if you want to link to the website that you own in the card or end screen of your video, you have to associate your website with your YouTube channel. In order to do that, you have to become a member of the YouTube Partner Program, which requires 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months. Click the link in the description if you want to know how to get 4,000 watch hours quickly on YouTube. Here's a hot tip to grow the revenue from a YouTube channel. If you bundle several of these methods together, you'll eventually make enough money from your channel to go full-time on YouTube. Hey Herman, is there any disadvantage in promoting a product in every single video? I'm glad you asked, because YouTube rewards videos that keeps viewers longer on the YouTube platform. If you always direct viewers off YouTube by sending them to your website, it'll hurt the audience retention of your YouTube video. Instead, I recommend keeping viewers on the YouTube platform as long as possible and only sending viewers off YouTube in every 3rd or 4th video. But Herman, how can I quickly get into the YouTube Partner Program? I'm glad you asked. Just watch the video on the screen right now, how to easily get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. You'll discover 10 ways to quickly and easily meet the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program.